Hello, hello, hello. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Bitcoin, Bitcoin literally came right down to our bathtub, took a little dip, and is now bouncing out of it. So, hopefully that was it. We'll have to see though. We'll have to see what happens. So far, so good. I believe this orange line was our liquidation at one point. I will remove that. Let's see what else do we got. Man, look at that. 1% candle on the 15. Let's look at total 3. Total 3 is reacting as well. See, I'm kind of thinking everything's gonna come right down here. This is also a huge head and shoulders. Look at that. You get rid of that. We got a head and shoulders right here on total 3. It's getting spooky out there, guys. ETH. Ooh, look at that. Wow. 2.4% candle on ETH. When pre-stream music. Hoffs. Probably when I get a proper streaming PC. How's the weather holding up there, buddy? How you doing? We're gonna have to check in on the live streams that got going on. What the heck? What's everyone's consensus? What do we think? I think it's definitely time to trash the fractal, unfortunately. Let me go to the daily. Yeah, there's no way that's gonna pull up. I'm gonna delete the fractal. Pretty sure the fractal is dead. Should I delete it or should I move it? What if I put it right here? What if we do this? Is that crazy? I think that could work. Let me make it a different color so then it's a little bit harder to see. Just so that way it doesn't interfere with the chart too much. That looks better. And the candles can go in front of it. So we've edited the fractal. The fractal is not based on anything other than an idea. Like, we think that this could happen. Just based on previous price action, and, you know, this does look like it's going to be forming a W formation. We are bouncing right off the bathtub beautifully. Love to see that. Does anybody have any trades open? Let's take a look at our meme coins really quick. Do a meme coin update. They were doing really good earlier. Woo! Okay, they're doing awfully right now. What the fuck happened, man? We were in good standing earlier. Come on, guys. What a crap show. It was such a shame. Dark Magician Girl's such a great play. I hope they let it run. It went a little bit crazy yesterday, though. Maybe buying this was a bad idea. But it's a meme coin, you know. You take risks. Flying Spaghetti Monster looks okay. Not mad at that. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Let's go on lower time frame. Let's go to, what do you guys think, the 1 hour? Or the 15? Should we go to the 15? Get real crazy, get real funky. I've officially ordered and replaced my original Coinbase card. So I'm retiring the original. I used the crap out of this thing the last 4 years. This is my primary method of taking profit, actually. So I think I'm going to frame it. I don't know if that's weird or not. I don't know. I'm a sentimental person. I grew up watching Toy Story, so Disney and Pixar made me feel bad for inanimate objects. So that's just who I am, guys. Make sure you guys hit the like button on your way in. Hit that like button. Much appreciated. Let me see if I can get some music going. Some chill music. There's some people streaming right now talking about Bitcoin crashing and all this crap. What are they doing now? Should I put one of them on? It's kind of funny. We got Hurricane Milton live cameras. We'll check that out. Let me mute this. Okay, it's muted already. Good. Good, good, good. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Hops, are you sure you're okay? What's it look like there, man? What's going on? Why is it all shaky? This is terrifying, man. Oh my gosh. Ew, the live chat's creepy. People are saying, here it comes. Is this... There's a tornado warning? Indian River, Florida? What the heck, man? I'd be pooping my pants right now. Look at this one. This one's going crazy. Spooky stuff, guys. Spooky stuff. Let's see. Yeah, screw this. Screw all of this. There's no cars at least, so at least you know people aren't like dicking around trying to drive somewhere. Bitcoin's bouncing off of our bathtub. Courtesy of Bath. If you guys are new, join the Discord. Go tag Bath. Tell him thank you for being a fucking stud. Thank you for being a sexy motherfucker. And congratulations on selling your raccoon-infested house. No, I'm pretty sure his house was like a historic, really nice house, like built in the old days. And they actually built stuff good. I actually have a meme to look at about the way that we build our houses, but it might be mildly insensitive with the current hurricane. So I might not do that meme. Let me check. Chat is pretty empty right now. I'm looking at Discord. Yeah, Hops, you should have got a like a kayak or something. I watched a TikTok earlier of this guy in his living room sitting in a kayak, just kind of chilling. He still had electricity and shit too. Which is kind of terrifying, because wouldn't that, like, I grew up watching all those 80s and 90s movies where if there was even the slightest bit of electricity in the water, you would just get electrocuted. So I guess be careful, watch out for that. Total 3. Yeah, I'm gonna guess that we're just gonna get a little bounce, a little continuation to the downside. That's probably what's gonna happen. Everything looks pretty bad right now. This actually, the head and shoulders broke to the downside. So let's see what that target is. It's right there. It's gonna go just past that. Yeah, it's probably gonna go down to 572 billion. That's my target. I'll leave this here. I guess I'll do this. So that way, that's just there. That's where I'm expecting it to go. Yeah. Let's see. This is where we had our doom candle, or a doom fractal. Look at that. The doom fractal is halfway filled. That's pretty impressive. I'm quite impressed with myself. I hope I'm wrong about hitting the lower trend line. But I mean, so far that shit's spot on. Let's take a look at that liquidation heat map really quick. Let me refresh. We'll look at the hurricane. Oof. Oh no, there's people driving. That's so fucking scary, guys. I think I'm gonna shut this off. This is gonna freak me out. Yeah, rip cars for real. What the fuck? Yeah, I don't want to watch people get sucked up into a tornado or nothing. Whatever this W place is looks nice. Oh no. Yep, I'm gonna close this, guys. This is freaking me out. Hops. I don't know what to tell you, man. You're scaring me. I hope you actually evacuated and you're just trolling everyone. Ooh, look at that. See, there's no liquidations left below us. All these motherfuckers closed. Sneaky bastards. There's a lot up here. Awful lot up here. 62.5. 55.92 million. Let's see. Hop said, where is everyone? Did everyone give up? I don't know. We got 3 people watching. It's a little early. It's 5:30. People might be quitting crypto again. Bitcoin's down 2.34% on the day. That's usually what happens, unfortunately. I don't know. This stream might be. I don't know if it's gonna be a short or a long stream. We might go to the daily close for this one, but I do plan on live streaming video games later on today because that was a lot of fun. That was a lot of fun earlier. I don't know. Is it weird for me to show you guys my YouTube analytics like on stream? Is that weird? I feel like we're going through the journey together, so I feel like it should be a shared experience. You know, you guys are contributing to the channel as much as I am. Although I did have a lot of fun filming that stupid shit to mess with Clint earlier. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Yeah, guys, I don't really know what to think. We got 5, 6, 7. So we got 2.5 hours till the daily close. 15-minute. Probably gonna go up a little bit and then poop right back down. This is at 20:45, so we got 21:45, 22:45, 23:15. So this is gonna be our close. I believe this is gonna be our daily close. So I don't even know if this is gonna do much. This might just go boop. Take another little doo-doo. Where does the doom candle end? I don't know, guys. It's getting spooky. Let's look at total 3. Yeah, this might just slump right back over. Yep. Yeah, it's hard to tell, especially with the liquidation heat map. Like, why would they bring it down any further? But people might just be selling. All right, let's go through some articles, guys. Vitalik Buterin seen as a dark horse for 2024 Nobel Prize in Economics. Economics Tyler Cohen and Alex Tabarrok, creators of Marginal Revolution. Yeah. Recently made their picks for who might win the upcoming 2024 Nobel Prize for Economics. The discussion came during an October 8th episode of the duo's Marginal Revolution podcast. In what he referred to as an unusual pick, Cowan said, given the opportunity, he'd pick Ethereum co-founder and computer scientist Vitalik Buterin, while he and co-host Tabarrok discussed their views on the merits of theoretical economics. The duo agreed that Buterin deserved the award because he actually did something in monetary economics. Vitalik built a platform, created a currency, you could say, refuted Mises' regression theorem in the process, obviously following in the footsteps of Satoshi, but my goodness, what does someone have to do to get a Nobel Prize? Yeah. He likened the development of the proof of work, proof of stake mechanism to those videos of guys in Saudi Arabia where they change the car tires while the car is moving. Okay. That's what Ethereum did. The pair also discussed Buterin's seemingly agreeable nature, describing him as a representative of the cryptocurrency world who's seen as an intellectual and a likable person. Tabarrok, however, did point out that Buterin's contributions to cryptocurrency were second only to the anonymous creator of Bitcoin. Yes, I agree, Satoshi, of course, should have gotten it as well, but I'm sure he's dead, he said, prompting Cowen to report, I'm not sure he's dead. An HBO documentary, computer scientist Peter Todd on October 8th. We must have missed that. We'll have to check out the documentary. I did not know that they named anybody. Very interesting. What do you guys think is going to happen? Think we're going to go up or down? Hoff said, I watched somebody that shows stuff that's transparent. You talking about the fractals? Is that what you're talking about? Yeah, man. I don't know. I'm nervous about this move, honestly. Kind of being a baby about it. All right, let's go to the next. Bitcoin short-term holders will be seriously tested if Bitcoin loses 61.6. It's already lost 61.6. What's this for? 50 minutes ago. Was this guy delusional? It lost 61.6 way the fuck earlier. Did this happen while he was writing the article? Bitcoin price oscillates in a narrow price range as Bitcoin's low volatility, hints at a sharp price move around the corner. It has low volatility? Seems like it's been volatile as fuck to me. Bitcoin's price action has been sideways over the past 36 hours, as Bitcoin has been unable to break away from the range 63.6 and 62.843. As illustrated in the chart, it's currently at the 50-day EMA, but remains above the 200 EMA on the 4-hour chart. Bollinger Bands indicate that the current price might be a little oversold as it remains under the indicator's simple moving average, middle band line. However, the Bollinger Band lines are currently in divergence, which indicates that the price action should experience short-term volatility. Bitcoin under 61.6 may test the STH's resolve. I believe that's short-term holders. Each group can play an important role. The long-term holders are associated with Bitcoin addresses that have held Bitcoin for 155 days or more, while short-term are less than that. Recently, Cointelegraph reported short-term holders were likely taking on more risk at the moment, with the Bitcoin short-term holders' realized price witnessing a sharp increase. This also coincided with long-term holders likely taking profits during the end of September. This means the immediate price action could be more dependent on short-term holders at the moment. In light of that, Burak Kazmeki, a verified analyst on CryptoQuaint, highlights that the short-term holders may panic sell if Bitcoin drops below 61.6. Well, it dropped below 61.6, so that must have been them panic selling. Fahid, what's going on, Fahid? Happy Wednesday. We got a chill live stream going. Let's see. Bitcoin is kind of stagnating like it does every time I stream. Might be going up, might be getting a little bounce. which is exciting. Like I said, everyone's super bearish right now, so it would make sense just to see this kind of go up and kind of screw all the bearish people. You guys got any ideas? Got any theories? Big Heat said any meme buys being planned like Moodang. Let's take a look. Our I don't know right now, honestly, with this pullback. Our meme buys from yesterday are getting fucking demolished. Like Dark Magician Girl's pretty much rugging. Down fucking 53%. And that's just the candle. Up from where we bought, it's probably down like 100. Yes, 71% pullback on Dark Magician Girl. And then we got Flying Spaghetti Monster. Flying Spaghetti Monster is doing okay. It's up from our buy. Then you said Moodang. Moodang on Soul. Ooh, this looks like it's in a good spot. This is on the 15-minute. Let's look at the daily. Daily's getting a decent sized pullback. Might be a good buy. Not financial advice. I add it to the list for sure. I probably won't be buying any. At least not today. I got my Dark Magician Girl and my Flying Spaghetti Monster. Already eaten up my shitcoin liquidity for the week. Trying to be a little more responsible. Because if I save the right amount of money, I can actually get a proper streaming PC. So, without having to sacrifice my bags. I believe this is a bullish doji candle on the 15-minute right here. So, we're probably going to bounce a little bit. Yeah, we'll have to wait and see. We didn't trash the Bitcoin fractal. We did move it though. So let me zoom out. So we got we got the bearish fractal right here. And then on our dirty chart, we got the bullish one. Which I guess is a smaller time frame than I was expecting. So see, this bearish one goes all the way down to the lower trend line. The bullish one makes a W right here. The bearish case turning into the bullish case would be this forming a whole giant W with a lower low, and then hopefully breaking into a higher high eventually. But we did come right back down and take a bath in the bathtub for some liquidity. The liquidation heat map, let's refresh this really quick. Just use Jordan's bot. Yeah, Bitcoin's kind of recovering. There's a lot more liquidations to the upside than to the downside. Like a lot more. So they might try to rip up and take that. I have no clue. Everyone and their brother's super bearish, including TradingView, which usually means the opposite's going to happen, because I don't know if you guys know this, but retail is kind of dumb when it comes to crypto. Very much so, actually. It's definitely interesting to watch. We do have bullish div on the 15-minute. I don't know if you guys can see that. Very, very, very faint, but it is there. Yeah, man. I'm standoffish right now. Everything kind of looks like crap. Great entries coming up, though. Man, Cass is kind of getting, like, obliterated. What the fuck? This thing's going straight down. Kind of sad. Polkadot. Ooh, Polkadot had a nice recovery candle right there. Doge. Same thing. Polygon, not so much. Near. Chili's. Chili's is up above its upper trend line, so Chili's kind of zero fucks given. Was the launch of that meme coin like the launch of their ecosystem or something? I'm curious as to why this was so bullish. Because that's a big ass, like, 4%, and it's a sustained move as well. An 11% sustained move in a bear trend. That's impressive. That's nothing to sneeze at. PHB and CFX. Probably some trades there. DXY hopefully starts going down. Silver, that not really doing nothing. NASDAQ and S&P hit new highs today. I believe new all-time highs. Let's do an update on the AS fractal on the S&P 500. Look at that, exactly as predicted. Wow. What? Am I a genius or what? Look at that. Do I gotta pull it over? Maybe that's what I gotta do. I'll leave it where it's at though. We'll watch it the way it is. The AS fractal giveth. That's beautiful. We're very impressed with the AS fractal. Let's go back to Bitcoin really quick. Yeah, we're getting a wick right now. Let's zoom in. Yep. The Heat said OG is doing okay so far. Let's look at OG. Forget, was that on Dex Screener? Or you said it was on... Was it on Binance? OG fan token? Let's go to Binance. Is this the right one, Fahid? I mean, this is a clear uptrend. Jeez. Yeah, it's hard to see this thing really giving a fuck about anything. Just going up. Look at that. It was down here at 283. It's up at 9 right now? What the heck? What is this thing? This thing's a beast. You said this is the right one? Okay. OG on Binance. Wow. Very much impressed. This is sick. Yeah, Bitcoin's going up. If I had to take a guess, guys, I don't want to be bullish because I feel like it's such a trap thing to fucking say during all of this. But everyone's super bearish. And usually when that happens, those people end up being wrong as fuck. And I don't want to be the wrong as fuck guy. We do have, this is on the daily. We got bullish dip playing out on the daily right now. Look at that. I don't know, guys. I don't know. ETH still looks great. Sol kind of looks like doo-doo. ADA, this is the head and shoulders. I don't know. Do not know. Next, let's go to the next article, guys. Oh, yeah, this is the same one that we were looking at. They're just saying short-term holders are going to get fucked. How can Gen Z thrive on digital-first income and changing economy? This Task to Earn app empowers Gen Z with flexible digital-first tasks in the evolving digital economy through blockchain technology and decentralized work. That's kind of cool. Presented by Rewardable. Okay, so this is like a sponsored. I'm not going to read this, but that's neat. I thought that this was just going to be them talking about, like, in general. I didn't know it was going to be a sponsored, entire freaking sponsored article. But check this out if you want. Rewardable. It's neat. It might actually be a good play. If it's got like a coin. 70,000 followers. I don't know. Maybe that is a good idea to check that out. Kind of neat. Okay, next article. Who is Nick Szabo? The man some believe is Bitcoin inventor Satoshi Nakamoto. So is this the one who HBO named? This was, I don't remember this person even being on the list. Were they on the Polymarket lists? This is who they think is Satoshi Nakamoto? This 60-year-old white guy? Why? Oh my gosh. Of course it's from BitBoy. Okay, so let's read about this guy. A new HBO documentary airing on October 8th has teased that it has discovered the real Satoshi Nakamoto, the pseudonymous inventor of Bitcoin. While it could be a marketing trick, the announcement has fueled renewed speculation as to who it could be the inventor of Bitcoin. One person has been tipped as the potential real Satoshi is Nick Szabo, an American cryptographer, legal scholar, and computer scientist who has contributed greatly to the blockchain sector since the early 1990s. That's to say, Szabo was contributing to blockchain before Bitcoin was even a thing. Szabo graduated, blah, 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 who cares? His Gold network used a chain of proof-of-work cryptographic solutions, but relied on a quorum of addresses rather than a quorum of computing power to reach consensus. This is said to have made BitGold susceptible to Sybil attacks. Szabo went on to describe the reasoning for his theoretical currency thusly: a long time ago, I hit upon the idea of BitGold. Oof, could you imagine if Bitcoin was called BitGold? That would be atrocious. The problem in a nutshell is that our money currently depends on trust in a third party for its value. As many inflationary and hyperinflationary episodes during the 20th century demonstrated, this is not an ideal state of affairs. Okay, so I guess if Satoshi was multiple people, then he could be one of the people. That'd be kind of cool. What if it was all four of these dudes? Let's see. S-A... Nah, I can't even make an acronym out of it. So yeah, allegedly HBO named this guy, possibly. And we got our memes to take a look at. Let's look at Bitcoin again. Go to a lower time frame, 15 minutes, and it's still green-ish. It's trying to do something. Let's see. Fahid said, could be an old white guy. He probably got the name Satoshi Nakamoto from Japanese companies, right? That I've seen that picture. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, Samsung, Toshiba, Nakamichi, and Motorola. Right here, Satoshi Nakamoto. Kind of cool. I mean, S-A. That's interesting. Vestopedia just kind of guesses who all these people could be. Craig Wright drives me crazy. I can't stand this dude. He wants so bad to be Satoshi. I don't know what they think. Like, does he think he's gonna get off Satoshi's Bitcoin if he can, like, in court win a case. It's so weird. There's a meme about that. Yeah. Yeah, there's a bunch of memes about all these different people. We got 5 people watching right now. If you guys could all do me a favor, hit that like button. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. And when you do, or if you are currently, hit the notification bell and turn on all notifications. Really helps me out on the channel. Lets YouTube know that you guys want to see my content. And hopefully that would lead YouTube to show it to other people. ETH is trying a little bit right here. Sol actually hardly reacted. It actually looks quite good. ADA. Ooh, I kind of like that. What's that, guys? I gotta close my trade. Very nice. Cool, cool, cool. Started trading again just a couple weeks ago. Guys, if you do trade and you use leverage, be careful with the amount of leverage that you use because it's dangerous. Leverage is a dangerous thing. Let's do targets here. Let's look at some targets. I'm just gonna start throwing numbers out there for various reasons. For Bitcoin, obviously, our longer term target to the downside, like worst case scenario, is going to be 51.5-ish. If that happens, let's see how big of a pullback is that going to be. It's going to be 15%. So I'm going to probably, what would that put at ETH at? Let me just try 20. 18, we put it down there. Down at 19. I feel like breaking 2 is kind of crazy for ETH. So maybe this is where Bitcoin dominance starts to dump and alts show strength against Bitcoin. So see, 15% seems kind of crazy for Bitcoin even. Sol going down 10 doesn't seem too crazy. Yeah, Bitcoin doesn't seem to want to care about the red candles. Yeah, they liquidated a lot of people right here. That's like 110 plus 30, 140 million plus 26 plus, okay, so 190. So there's like $300 or $400 million in liquidations right here. That's a lot of money. What do we think? We probably get some candles like this right here, and then some more upside. It's probably gonna wick down a million times. Let's see what did total 3 do during that. Kind of the same thing. Yeah. Yeah, if I had to speculate, it's probably just gonna be that exact same move right there. But I guess this time with bullish div in the charts, which is good. Very nice. It is 6:02, guys. We got the daily close in approximately 2 hours. I guess I'm gonna call it right now. I'll call it right now, and then we'll hop on in like an hour and a half for the daily close. I appreciate you guys being here. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in a little bit.